Welcome to my in-depth review of the aosu T2 Ultra 4K camera for home security, a 6-camera kit that's revolutionizing the way we protect our homes. If you're looking for a comprehensive security solution that delivers stunning video quality, smart detection, and seamless connectivity, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'll be diving into the key features of the aosu T2 Ultra, exploring its benefits, and showing you how it compares to other security camera systems on the market. First, let's talk about the camera's stunning 4K night vision capabilities. The aosu T2 Ultra delivers vivid, TrueColor night vision, even in complete darkness, without the need for floodlights. This is made possible by the camera's advanced sensor and lens technology, which work together to capture crystal-clear footage, even at night. But what really sets the aosu T2 Ultra apart is its triple AI detection system, which precisely identifies people and activity while reducing false alerts. This means you'll only receive notifications when something important happens, saving you time and reducing stress. Another major benefit of the aosu T2 Ultra is its secure local storage, which eliminates the need for monthly subscriptions. The aosuBase comes with 32 gigabytes of built-in storage and supports expansion up to 1 terabyte of local, encrypted storage. This means you can store every video from your cameras securely without worrying about hidden fees or data breaches. Your footage is private and under your control, giving you peace of mind and complete ownership of your security system. The aosu T2 Ultra also offers 360 full coverage, thanks to its pan-tilt dome design. This means you can capture every angle of your property without any blind spots. The camera's auto-tracking feature also ensures that you'll never miss a thing, as it follows people and objects in real time. And with the ability to connect up to 6 cameras to the aosuBase, you can build a scalable security system that meets your unique needs. Installing the aosu T2 Ultra is also incredibly easy, with a simple setup process that can be completed in minutes. The camera runs continuously with solar power, and detachable panels make maintenance a breeze. Just plug the camera into the aosuBase, and you're ready to monitor your property day and night, rain or shine. But what really sets the aosu T2 Ultra apart is its multi-camera tracking feature, which connects clips from different cameras into a single, complete video. This means you'll receive one clear alert showing the entire event from start to finish, so you can quickly see what happened without guessing or scrolling through dozens of clips. This feature is a game changer for home security, as it gives you a complete picture of what's happening on your property and allows you to respond quickly and effectively. So how does the aosu T2 Ultra compare to other security camera systems on the market? In my opinion, it stands head and shoulders above the competition. The camera's 4K night vision, triple AI detection, and secure local storage make it a comprehensive security solution that's hard to beat. And with its easy installation, 360 coverage, and multi-camera tracking, it's the perfect choice for anyone looking to protect their home and family. In conclusion, the aosu T2 Ultra 4K camera for home security is a powerful, feature-rich security system that delivers stunning video quality, smart detection, and seamless connectivity. With its secure local storage, 360 coverage, and multi-camera tracking, it's the perfect choice for anyone looking to protect their home and family. So why wait? Order the aosu T2 Ultra today and experience the peace of mind that comes with knowing your home is secure. Don't settle for a security system that's just adequate.